Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is an orientation lecture for HSSC 2 Biology. I am Saima Malik, Head of Biology Department, Army Public School and College, Fort Road, Rawalpindi. Welcome students to the class second year new session 2020 to 2021. Dear students, we are passing through a very difficult situation due to this pandemic virus COVID-19. Everybody around us is stressed in a sort of anxiety, fear and hopelessness. I never think of before to welcome my new session like this. So really feeling bad. I'm missing your refreshing smiley faces, your happy gestures of new class, your little chit chats, your eager of knowing and much more. But my dear students, this distancing is for our safety. The hard situation will end and will return to our normal routines, inshallah. So don't be hopeless. Keep on practicing all the preventive measures against COVID-19 virus and praying from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He will surely rescue us soon. Till then, we'll try to continue our lessons through these video lectures. As you all know, no more delay in starting our second year classes can be affordable. Now your whole HSSC result depends on your second year performance, so you have to devote yourself even more than before towards studies. So here we go. This is your textbook of Biology grade 12 and publishers are National Book Foundation. It has 4 sections named as life processes, continuity in life, ecology and applications of biology. Now we'll see one by one all the contents of these sections. First section, that is life processes, comprises of 6 chapters, starting from chapter 14, that is respiration, 15 homeostasis, 16 support and movement, 17 nervous coordination, 18 chemical coordination and 19 behavior. Next section is of continuity in life. It is of 5 chapters, starting from chapter number 20, that is reproduction, 21 development and aging, 22 inheritance, 23 chromosome and DNA and 24 is of evolution. Then third section is of ecology. It consists of only 1 chapter, man and his environment. And the last section of the book is applications of biology, in which 2 chapters are present. First one is biotechnology and second one is biology and human welfare. In the course of spiral progression, here you can easily observe that I have made a comparison table for the contents of your HSSC 2 and SSC 2 chapters, and you are seeing or you are observing here over that the first chapter of HSSC 2 is respiration, and almost the same contents you had studied in your SSC 2 class under the heading of gaseous exchange. Obviously in second year you will study more detail and other chapters, that is homeostasis, support and movement, reproduction, man and his environment and biotechnology. Even the names of these chapters are also same in second year as well. However, the chapter coordination and control you studied in your 10th grade, now you will study the contents of this chapter under 2 chapters, that is nervous and chemical coordination. And the contents of chapter inheritance that you studied in your 10th grade is in 3 chapters now, obviously with more detail. One chapter is inheritance, second one is chromosome and DNA and evolution. So you are very much familiar with the contents that you are going to study in your HSSC 2. So it will be easier for you to understand all these topics and to learn all these topics. Now we proceed with the paper pattern as per Federal Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education. According to this paper pattern, HSSC 2 paper consists of 4 sections. Section A is of multiple choice questions. It has 17 items, each of 1 mark, so the total marks of this section are 17. Second section is section B. It has 10 short questions, out of which you have to attempt 7 questions, each of 3 marks, means 21 marks section. And the questions included in this section are from chapter 14 to chapter 20. Then section C, it is also of 21 marks. It also consists of 10 short questions, out of which you have to attempt 7 questions, each of 3 marks. Questions included in this section are taken from chapter 21 to chapter number 27. And the last section is of extended questions, that is section D. It has 3 long questions in which you have to attempt 2 long questions out of 3, each of 13 marks, so the total marks of this section are 26. Here you can also see the paper, model paper as per the pattern I have discussed with you earlier. This is section A. It consists of 17 marks and 17 items, means 1 mark for each item. This is the subjective paper. First section of the subjective paper is section B. It is of 21 marks, and it is visible over here that the questions of section B are taken from chapter 14 to 20, and the questions of section C have been taken from chapter 21 to chapter 27, and section D, which is of 26 marks, it consists of 3 extended questions, from out of which you have to attempt 2 long questions, each of 13 marks, and the questions included in this section are taken from the whole book. And as we have told you in your first year class, that the answer sheets given to you for the solution of this paper will be sort of e-sheets like. So let's see what will happen. My dear students, there are few suggestions from me to you, that kindly take these classes, this session seriously, follow the lectures regularly, do assignments after every lecture as guided. Feel free to ask questions if you feel any difficulty in understanding the lecture or solving assignment from your respective teachers. Always be positive, never lose hope, don't waste your time anymore, must take preventive measures against corona. Keep on praying and continue your studies with great devotion. That's all, my students. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.